Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about dual axis or dual chart in Tableau. Let's get started. Dual axes are useful for analyzing two measures with different scales. To add a measure as a dual axis, drag the field to the right side of the view and drop it. When you see a black dashed line appear, you can also right click the measure on the columns or row shelf and select dual axis. Let me show you how to create a dual axis or dual chart in Tableau. I am opening Tableau public application and I have taken sample superstore data. I am clicking on the show me palette to show the template of dual axis chart. Now I am hovering on the dual axis chart and it is showing me some suggestions over here at the bottom. For dual combination, try one date, 0 or more dimensions, 2 measures. So we need to have a date field, 0 or more dimensions and 2 measures. We can take a date or any other dimension or measures to create a dual axis chart. For now, I am taking a dimension called region and dropping it in the column shelf. The first measure I am going to take is sales. Now we have a view ready. I am going to take another measure and dragging it until the black line appears. Now we can see two measures over here and a dimension. I am right clicking on the second dimension and you see there is an option called dual axis which is enabled, checked over here. Now let me change the mark type to observe the difference. I am clicking on the sum of sales and changing the mark type to bar, and I am clicking on sum of profit and changing the mark type to line. This way we can create a dual axis chart. That means we have a left axis and a right axis, and there is a dimension on the top on which we plotted dual axis. This is how a dual axis can be plotted, and this is how a dual axis looks like. You can change the mark type to several marks. For example, if I want to change it to square, I can change it as well. And if I feel like selecting circle, we can change the circle. And if you feel like changing pie, you can do that as well. You can select any mark type, be it on the secondary measure or the primary measure. For example, now we have two shapes. Both of them have different marks. I'm selecting back to bar. So this is how the axis will be overlapped and dual axis can be shown with a particular dimension. I am duplicating the same. Now I am removing the column. I am removing a dimension from the column shelf and taking a date dimension and dropping it in the column shelf. And now you can see a dual axis chart has been created based on date as well. This is with a date and two measures, and the previous chart is with a dimension and two measures. This is how we can create a dual axis chart. We will be able to compare two measures at the same time, and we can get more comparison analysis based on this. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.